At 11, the Boone County Board of Education voted unanimously to sue major social media companies. Our Sean Delancey talked to the attorney who filed the lawsuit, who says these platforms have negative effects on students' mental health.
You could consider the Boone County Board of Education the David to social media's Goliath when it comes to a meeting in court. But attorney Ron Johnson says that they will not be alone in a battle for mental health funding.
Any opposed? Motion carries.
With that, the Boone Board of Ed gave attorney Ron Johnson the power to sue any social media company in control of platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and more in connection with degrading youth mental health in the district.
The harm is massive.
Johnson says Boone would join 17 other Kentucky school districts he represents and other federal litigants in taking these companies to court. He likens the legal tactic to the nationwide opiate lawsuits that resulted in multi-billion-dollar payments to regional governments.
There's the same theory, public nuisance, which is that they created a problem that causes community-wide damage. In this case, the community is the school. And so the question really is, do we want that to be paid for by the taxpayers? Or do we want it to be paid for by the companies that caused the problem?
Psychologist Stuart Bassman says all youth mental health issues cannot be chalked up to social media use. But he says children are vulnerable to issues caused by these platforms.
Children are vulnerable to this manipulation, are vulnerable to being tricked, fooled, deceived, and that they are indeed children, meaning that they don't have the psychological wherewithal to protect themselves from social media.
Johnson acknowledges the case against tech giants could be harder to win than the fight against opioid manufacturers and distributors. He says constitutional protections on freedom of speech plays a role, and a notorious clause in federal law called Section 230 gives many companies immunity from suits. Still, he's confident.
What we're alleging is that they actually created the algorithms that determines what the kids see, when they see it, and how much of it they see. And that is not protected by Section 230.
Now, Johnson says, like the slate of lawsuits during the opioid crisis, these lawsuits against social media companies will likely take years to resolve, and these cases are just getting started. In Florence, I'm Sean Delancey, WCPO 9 News.